Muscles are essential components of the human body that enable movement, maintain posture, and support various physiological functions. Here's an overview of how muscles work. Types of muscles. 1. Skeletal muscle. These are the muscles attached to bones and are responsible for voluntary movements, for example, walking, lifting. They are striated, striped in appearance and work in pairs to facilitate movement. 2. Smooth muscle, found in the walls of internal organs, for example, stomach, intestines, blood vessels. These muscles are involuntary and control functions such as digestion and blood flow. 3. Cardiac muscle. This is the muscle of the heart. It is also involuntary and has a unique structure that allows it to contract rhythmically and continuously. How muscles contract. Muscle contraction involves several key processes. 1. Nerve signal. Muscle contraction begins when the brain sends a signal through motor neurons to the muscle fibers. 2. Release of calcium ions. The signal causes the release of calcium ions from the sarcoplasmic reticulum, a specialized structure in muscle cells. 3. Interaction of actin and myosin. Muscle fibers contain two primary proteins, actin-thin filaments and myosin-thick filaments. When calcium ions are released, they bind to troponin, a protein associated with actin, causing a change that allows myosin heads to attach to actin filaments. For sliding filament theory, myosin heads pull the actin filaments toward the center of the sarcomer, the basic unit of muscle contraction, causing the muscle to shorten and contract. This process repeats in a cycle, allowing for sustained contraction as long as calcium and ATP adenosine triphosphate are available. 5. Relaxation. When the nerve signal stops, calcium ions are pumped back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum and the muscle fibers relax. The actin and myosin filaments return to their resting state, allowing the muscle to lengthen. Energy supply. Muscles require energy to contract, which is provided by ATP. There are several ways the body generates ATP. 1. Aerobic respiration. Involves using oxygen to produce ATP from glucose. This is efficient for sustained activities like long-distance running. 2. Anaerobic respiration occurs without oxygen and produces ATP quickly but less efficiently, leading to the accumulation of lactic acid. This is used during short bursts of intense activity. 3. Creatine phosphate. Muscles store creatine phosphate, which can quickly regenerate ATP during short, high-intensity exercise.